SEO has changed more in 1 year than in the last decade. With Google's AI-driven search generative experience, traditional tactics like backlinks and keyword density are losing power fast. What matters now is content quality, user experience, and trust signals. Let's break this down. In 2025, Google's AI understands intent like never before. It knows when your content actually solves a user's problem, and when it's fluff. The best ranking content now combines storytelling, data, and real-world experience. So, how do you adapt? Start with experience-based SEO. Add real examples, case studies, and human insights to every post or video. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to organize thoughts, but never copy them blindly. Next, optimize for multi-format search. Google now surfaces YouTube videos, summaries, and even AI-generated snippets. That means your YouTube channel is your SEO strategy. Every video becomes an authority signal. And finally, automate your SEO maintenance. Use AI to monitor ranking shifts, detect keyword trends, and adjust content dynamically. You don't need a 10-person SEO team anymore. You need one smart system powered by AI. In short, SEO isn't dead, it just evolved. And those who understand how AI thinks will always stay ahead of the algorithm.